Hey guys, what's up? I'm saying a live stream this time. Nope, it's my actual first video. Well, technically second, but the first one didn't count because it was less than 5 minutes, and that was five years ago when I was still in high school. Here I am, full-grown adult, 21 now. As of what's today? Today is 13th of February. 3 days ago I turned 21, so here I am. And 3 days ago is when I actually was able to get all my PC parts. I'll show you guys in a bit, but yeah, just ever since probably past today, I want to try to actually start recording videos instead of going, just live streaming like I normally used to do. So this is gonna be my basic intro video. Yay, this is my channel. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do any of that because I'm just gonna wing stuff like I did my whole life, and it worked out pretty good. So anyway, see if I can show you guys. Right here we have the PC parts I got recently. Over here we have the actual case. And we're going to be doing it on my little desk right here. I have set up. Don't mind my phone. Just kind of there because I need something to do. And we actually have a special guest. A co-star Brent Vlogs right here.
What's up, you guys?
Eating, what is that? Got some country fried steak over there.
Some potatoes. Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo's country fried steak.
Wait, country fried steak, what am I saying?
Sausage links, country potatoes, white bread. How's your breakfast?
It's pretty good. I've been hungry all morning.
Yeah, it's been a while because, I needed to get him food.
And I came back also. It's been a long time.
Yeah, he's been away for like what? A few months now?
Months, let's see, like 7 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's his YouTube channel is Brent Vlogs. I'll link it down in the description, We have a cat. These are the boxes we got this morning. She's kind of just... And there she goes. Yeah, we got the last two things we needed to record this, so now we're doing it. It is currently... What time is it? It's 11:37. And let's get started, Brent. Let's get the tripod set up. Let's get this desk cleaned off a little more. Get all these parts opened. So yeah, we'll jump to that in a few. Alright guys, so we're starting off, of course, the motherboard. I don't think it's focused right. Let's see if it focuses for you. That looks better. Anyways, let's get this motherboard opened up. Sorry if it's a bad angle. First time recording. Don't judge me. Oh, never mind. It's already opened. So. Ooh, fancy. Okay. Get the sound of breaking it. Of course, we got motherboard right here. Get this opened up. Ooh. I actually haven't got to see this. I haven't opened it since I got it. Here we have the motherboard. Your RAM sticks go right here. CPU goes right there. Graphics card goes right here. And other stuff that I'm gonna kind of wing it, but I have YouTube, like I said, so YouTube will help me along the process, and you guys will be here to judge me. There's some hair over here. Anyways, where's the CPU at? Okay, let's move this to the side real quick. Now, here we have the CPU. Let it focus again. Okay. I want the Ryzen 5 core, 3rd generation. So, a lot of these parts I haven't actually seen it. I kept them all closed. I was waiting for this day.
Not excitement I had when I could actually get all the parts beyond anything. We haven't.
Here is the actual CPU itself. Let me see if I can block off this light real quick so you guys can see it. This is probably the most fragile piece out of everything in here. This is CPU. All you PC builders probably watching this, don't judge me. I'm winging this as I go. If I fuck up, I fuck up. I'll learn. I don't need any hate comments. Anything else in this box? No, just a little foam head. I'm gonna keep that. Alright, let's see if we can get this CPU in there without fucking it up. Okay. Tiny triangle. Tiny triangle. Tiny triangle. Okay, let's see now. How did he do in the video? When in doubt, people with YouTube everything. Okay. I don't see what he's talking. Oh, okay, there it is. There's a very tiny triangle in this corner. I couldn't see it because I'm old. I'm 21. I'm like a grandpa now, so. Let's take this out.
Very gently. I'm going to do this slowly because, you know, I'll do this. Just place it down. Okay. I'm not sure if I did that right, honestly. Give it a go.
I think he said it should just slide right. Oh, there it goes. I believe that slid in. Okay. Don't apply any pressure. Don't fuck with it, because that can easily break, and that's, like I said, the most fragile thing in this one. This whole build is probably that. And just lock it down. And CPU's in. CPU is in. Yeah, there's already thermal paste on the base of this. So regularly, from all the videos and research I've done, you'd have to apply thermal paste to the CPU so it just doesn't overheat or cause any more problems. So let's just put this in. Take all these stickers off. This should... Okay, I have to take off these 4 screws actually, so let me do that real quick with a tiny screwdriver. It's so small. Now let's see. Now we get this cord. Plug it into... There's 4 little prongs sticking out right here. And I'm assuming that's actually where we're supposed to plug this in at. And that was correct. I wonder if there's a wrong way to plug this in. No, there's not actually. Oh shit, okay. I want to make sure I get that in there. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's in. I don't want to put too much pressure on it. So now we go on to the ram sticks. The ram sticks I have chosen. More hot. See if you can focus. Come on. Pretty fancy, huh? So let's go with the focusing on the table. Let's get these.
These opened up. Trusty razor blade. Never rolled a razor, kids. Let's know what you're doing. Or let's not with it. Get this right off it. If I can. Pretty decent with razor. I mean, I work construction, so I always use razors on everything. Open boxes, cut up my sandwich, you know, basic stuff.
Would you look at that? Are those some quality ram sticks?
It's so clean.
Very.
Very clean.
Alright guys, here's just what we got so far. You see how we had it set up, kinda. You guys were up there. And so Brent's gonna try to record me lowering this into there and screwing it into the back of this case. So I'm gonna hand you guys off to Brent. Alright, so first tilt this down like so. If you want to come over here to look at this closer. Then we have these tiny little screws. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look how small those things are.
Come on, focus.
Maybe if you zoom back out a little.
It is zoomed back all the way out. There, no. There we go.
Okay, that's how they look. Now, oh, we got the ring light in here or something. So I also think that you're gonna have to hold this light along with it. So, there's one I can't see. Got this. Slowly lower this down. Quarter of the way there. We actually might cut right here because this is gonna take probably both hands and probably his help. So, alright guys, we got the motherboard inside the case there. Our battery died, so we just barely got it back in. We actually waited about an hour. I got some McDonald's, so yeah. These next few shots you're about to see, there might be like cuts from when I take out the next. I'm gonna put in the power supply. It's right here, and that goes into there. So I'm gonna try to find at least a decent angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. So we'll probably cut to that right about now. Alright, so power supply's right here. Let's go and unbox it. Like, it's kind of weird. Half these boxes came in plastic wrap, the other half didn't. It's like, oh well. But yeah, all the parts have been sitting in my room for at least, I think the first part I actually got was the motherboard itself. That was in August of 2020. So, yeah. That's how long I've been waiting to put this thing together. All the cables for everything, basically. This is the power supply for the whole PC itself. So pretty much all these cords are going to go somewhere to connect to everything. So So let's unwrap all these cords. As I said before, don't judge me how I do stuff. It's my first time winging it, going off of YouTube videos. Trash out the way. Trash can right there. This is the power cord itself. We're not going to need that for a while, so let's put that over there. This is a lot of cords. I like how they're nylon, or at least wrapped with it. Now, let me see if I can figure out how to put this in there. It looks straightforward, so exhaust fan, hit exhaust. Here's the exhaust fan, so I guess we want that going out, so we'll face the fan downwards, so it'll be like this. So let's put this here. Will fit, will fit. Ah, it fits. Okay. There it is. Butter up against here. Now it looks like, get the ring light out. Oh, it's bright. So there's 4 screws. Looks like 3. Oh no, there's 4. One right there, one in that corner, one in that corner. No, is that corner or that corner? One of these, and then one right here. So I'll screw these in real quick. The next will be the solid state drives, otherwise known as the SSDs. Fancy, huh? This aside. Let me get this screwed in real quick. Put that down. These solid state drives. And I can actually show you one on this side. There's one right here. I'll take this off if I can. This is what holds the solid state drive. Solid state drive. 480 gigabytes storage. Here's all the stuff in the back, you know, all the whatnots, what it is, solid state, all the model numbers, all that. So we can put that in here like so. It's just a matter of which way we want to face it, really. Face it this way, cord, so we want to face this way. Because there's 2 plugins right there. One for power and one for the cord that can hold the memory. That can go to any part of the circuit board. We'll put it this way because when we put it back on, it'll be like that. We'll have cords coming out of there. Then the other one's in, I'll show you the other one in a bit. Right now, for now, we're just going to do this. Alright, we cut to this because those screws are giving me a hard ass problem and you would hear a lot of swearing. But I found the problem was I was using the wrong screws, so double check your screws for anything. Well, wait, one mount in here, one mount in the back. We got the cables connected. They go right here into the SATA ports. Now, what I'm gonna do is put on my fans. So, let's open this box up. I'm guessing the symbol right here, I don't know if you can see it. This has to go inside the case. So the air can come through here, go through here to cool down everything. So we'll put, I have 4 fans in total because this came with the case already. Let's see, I'll put maybe 2 in front. I'll keep this one there, and I'll put one up here. Make the airflow come out. So let's do that real quick. Well, I'll honestly probably cut to that because every time I do shit like this, I get really confused and it takes a long time. So we'll cut back when I have everything in. So cut. So we got the fans put in. Actually, let me turn this around so I can show you. I don't know why I turned it around beforehand. But we got 4 fans. Ow. 2 in front, 2 in the back. These 2 will be our intakes. These 2 will be our outtakes. At least I'm pretty sure I have all the fans facing the right way. We're gonna find out, you know. We might have some problems here and there considering this is our first build. We'll have to go back and fix a few things, but now what we're gonna do is fucking mess with all these cables down here. Install some of these extensions, make it look really pretty so you don't just see multicolored cables in front. So let's do this real quick. Oh. We'll probably cut back again after I kind of get things really going because it's honestly going to take me quite a while to organize all these cables, get them where they're going, throw some zip ties in there. So after I get everything what's going, I'll cut back, show you guys how it looks. I'll throw all the cables where they need to go. Then we'll probably cut again. Then I'm going to go through and zip tie all the cables, get them where they look nice and good. And yeah, so. Alright guys, here's the inside of our basically finished PC. Got 2 fans, another one there, the 4th one right there. The CPU and the CPU cooler, both RAM sticks. I didn't record myself putting this in because I honestly kind of forgot. But this is the I'm always forgetting names. Goddamn. Oh, graphics card. Stupid me. This is the graphics card. Pretty big, huh? I think it costed $1,000. It's one piece. It's $1,000. Here we have our SSD. Here's some RGB lighting that I'm going to put in. And all the cords in the back are just a complete mess. But I want to show you guys this. Yeah, the next step is to basically cable manage. Make it look pretty. Make sure all the cables are plugged in. And then put everything back on. Hook this thing back up. Plug it into the monitor and see where we go from there. So I'll catch you guys in a few. Alright guys, we got everything put in there. All the cords get. I didn't want to show you guys the mess because I know either way you're going to judge me. So just know that I cut all the cords, zip tied them, you know, did the best I could. But, moment of truth, I actually did this right. The keyboard, the mouse, everything plugged in correctly, I hope.
Ooh. Oh. Look at that. Here, I'm gonna give this to you, like them. Look in there.
Look at that, folks! Oh my goodness! That is amazing. Oh, look at the keyboard too. Whoa. And we're installing the software now, so yes, this is the finished product. It looks like I got everything right. Nothing blew up. So, good job to me. Good job to my cameraman, side man.
It looks hella cool.
I am beyond happy with this. Like, I am so proud of everything I just did. Alright, I'm gonna cut it now because I gotta install all the software. I'll cut back to it again and show you guys how the desktop looks and everything. So, yeah. Alright guys, this is the finished product. We ran everything. All the cords are good. All the fans are on. The RGB strips are on. Everything works good. As you can see, we got all the software installed. I went ahead and added some of the basic game platform things. I need to buy games online. Got my keyboard, mouse. Everything's good. I gotta reroute all my cables though, because I had to, like, it was weird. My PS4 right there. So yeah, it's basically the end of this video. See if I can turn you guys around. Anyways, me again. Brent in the background, Santa Mar Tortilla.
It took all night.
It took all day. Like, I am legitimately not joking. It is 8:33. I don't know if you can see that, but it took me. This first build. Don't judge me. It took me forever to learn how to do stuff, where to put cords at, how to cord manage the little space I had. Then to install software, which took also forever. And the camera battery. Camera battery died twice.
Twice.
We had to like wait an hour for it to charge. But when we were doing that, I was like, putting small stuff together. So yeah, it's basically in the video. Next video might be me actually playing a game with somebody, so that's gonna be cool. So just keep a lookout. I'm gonna live stream until then because I still gotta edit this video, so my editing skills aren't that good, but we'll get there. Yeah. Anyways, guys, later from Deldore and Brent Vlogs. His channel will be in the description, and the channel I use to help build my PC, which you guys could use to build your PC if you want to. So yeah, bye. So guys, this is an addition on to. I'm basically recording this like a few weeks after I built the PC. It's still going good. I got the LEDs going. Finally got a good pattern I liked. I also changed, as you can see, I changed a lot of my layouts. Here's my monitor. Check it out, guys. Ever since I built my PC, we gained a few more subscribers. I mean, now 40. So yeah, eventually I'm getting a better speaker as well. Focus, come on. There it goes. Yeah, it's almost complete. I'm missing a monitor, as you can see. I'm gonna get it my next payday. So yeah, this is it. Basically 100%. Cable managing. Well, you can't really see it, but it's pretty decent. My little pad down there. That's where my PC originally was down there, but I decided to move it. All my cords are all fucked up too, but now we're here. So yeah.